Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo Reach on piano step by step. Start by listening to the main melody twice, then find middle C and map the melody notes around it. Focus on one phrase at a time and repeat slowly. Tap the rhythm with your foot, then add simple left hand bass on beats 1 and 3. Keep tempo slow until comfortable and breathe between repeats. Warm up your fingers and find the first phrase of the melody, keeping your wrist relaxed and loose. Play the right hand alone, matching pitch by ear and using small shifts to reach notes without strain. Loop that phrase slowly 8 times, then add slight dynamics for expression. Once accurate, increase tempo by 10 to 20% increments. Take breaks to avoid fatigue and record a practice run for feedback. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a fun treat after practice. It smells great and brightens the commute. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now add the left hand using single bass notes and simple triads to fill out the harmony while keeping the right hand melody clear. Practice hands separately until each feels natural, then bring them together very slowly while counting beats aloud. Use sustain pedal sparingly to avoid blurring the texture and release on chord changes. Gradually increase tempo as coordination improves and focus on smooth transitions between sections for a musical performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.